Teka, ano bang gusto mong trabaho?
Ako? Gusto ko yung cool na trabaho.
Madam, can you please explain to me, give me a background there about how this and when this operation of the plantation began?
Ice plant established since 1949 here in Mandaluyong. It is owned by Samson Enterprises Incorporation.
It is related to Delilah.
No.
How this operation, the mechanics and the functional.
The machine used to produce ice are compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and brine tank. In brine tank, you can see those ice by rows.
Oh, it's very technical. Can you please show us the machine?
Oh, let's go over there. I show you.
Is this like something like a big refrigerator?
Yeah. We produce here 130 tons. This capacity of this compressor motor was 130 tons.
This machine celebrate their birthday.
Oh no. We have a for example our plant anniversary of the plant. That's how we celebrate this.
Alam nyo ba na 8 out of 10 manggagawa sa Metro Manila ay napapasma?
Manong, where we are now?
We're in Unit 3 brine tank. In Unit 3 brine tank, this is where this area where's water freeze to make it a block of ice like that. Oh.
Block of ice.
Why
is it very crystal clear? It's not black.
Our ice here is crystal. We're not producing an ice, what we call the whitish ice. Oh, our ice here, white. That means it is reject.
Reject? Why?
Because the quality of an ice, we are producing a quality ice. We're not producing a lousy ice.
It's a good amat, sir. How many hours to make this ice? Hard.
It takes 2 hours. It takes 26 hours to make this solid black ice.
Manong,
Look at
what
this
is
one.
this?
This is the control of this crane. The crane will flow, will fall. Look.
Uy, okay ah.
Then, after he pulls this up,
Push down.
then he will dump it through there.
This south means the opposite of north,
Yeah.
and the north is the opposite of south.
Yeah.
Question: where is the east and the west?
We don't need the east and the west. Because look, we have a 2 hook here. If we were to harvest here, there's a hook over there. We will stand by this hook, and then that one will be operated. So the backward and the forward are the one usually used. Yeah.
Astig. Manong, how much is the ice per block?
200 per blocks if we are selling retail. 105 if you are an agent.
Oh, it's raining. All right. After this, what do we do next?
You'll see the ice now flowing to the
Come on, baby. All right.
Yan.
Alright. Isa pa, isa pa.
Yan ang pagkasa niyan eh.
Alright! One more time!
Alright. Good.
Yan.
Manong, what is the tool?
Ito ang tawag dito gancho.
Gancho?
Oo.
Manggagancho?
Yan.
Ano yun?
Para mahila mo yung yelo, itong gagamitin mo. Para
Ah.
mahila mo siya.
Ihilahin mo talaga? Hindi pwede itulak?
Ganito. Gagalawin mo muna kasi nakadikit yan eh. Yan, saka mo hilahin.
Mamili.
Yan. Yan.
Lapit na!
Oo.
Oh, na. Kabigat.
Galawin mo muna. Yan. Magaan na yan pag nahila mo na siya.
Baka kailangan ganun yung edad ko, Manong, para mahila ko. Tapa. Ito pa. Hihila ko. Oh. Yan. Yan. Manong, who invented this go?
Hindi ko na alam kung sino naka-invento niya.
Ano after this?
Manong, pwede ba ako gumawa dito ng snowman?
Ang tawag sa taong gumagawa ng trabaho ng ibang tao ay pakialamero.
Manong, this is an ice pick, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 inches long. Ice pick. Why is this called ice pick when it cannot pick ice? Simoy ng hangin. Hoy! Kami! Taro! Ano? Aso! See my place!
Lamig
This is where I work! Ha? Cool, di ba?
Galing! Tado, kumusta na yung pagtatrabaho mo dito sa ice plant?
Masaya naman kasi mga magandang collaboration ng mga co-worker ko dito, ano? Malalamig ang ulo nila lahat.
Ay, gala. Paano mo naman mailalarawan yung ginagawa mo dito?
Well, most of all, of course, this is the coolest job.
Oo nga naman. Eh, sa tingin mo ba, paano mo matutulungan ng Pilipinas sa trabaho mo ito?
Malaki ang magagawa ng trabaho kong ito, lalo na sa ating bansa. Kasi ang mga Pilipino, hard-headed, masyadong mainitin. Kaya kailangan ko silang gawa ng magandang ice para lumamig ang ulo nila.
Wow nga naman. Sige, salamat ha.
Sunduin mo ako mamaya tayo, ha? Hintayin kita dyan.
Tama.
Just ingat. Ako, kailangan mo ko ulit.